Your products are subjected to a whole host of hazards during transport, including shocks, vibration, and compaction. But let's go back to the beginning. In situations like these, Storopak is a specialist when it comes to reliably packaging your products for safe transport. And to explain this in greater detail, Storopak's AIRplus air cushions are the perfect solution for quickly and efficiently filling voids in packages, as well as for wrapping, padding, blocking, and bracing sensitive and delicate products for shipment. Storopak offers 4 different types of air cushion for many different applications. These air cushions are produced with ease directly at the packing station as required, allowing you to quickly and optimally protect your products. Due to its innovative diamond-shaped structure, the AIRplus wrap film is ideal for wrapping products. The unique shape allows you to wrap your products tightly and securely for optimal protection. Storopak's wrap film offers a space-saving alternative to traditional bubble wrap. The AIRplus bubble film is perfect for wrapping and padding sensitive and delicate products, therefore ensuring all-around protection. AIRplus cushion air pillows offer the perfect solution for padding, blocking, and bracing products inside the package. The large air pillows of the void film can be used to optimally fill in the voids of different boxes. The user-friendly AIRplus range is easy to operate and features a variety of machine types designed for different packaging processes. Each and every company can take advantage of tailored equipment and integration solutions that fit perfectly into packing processes. Storopak is a reliable partner supplying consistent film quality manufactured in-house with all film types available for delivery at any time. Efficient, fast, and simple. Storopak's intelligent AIRplus air cushion systems.